Hello everyone, welcome to BrainBloom. Today we're going on an exciting journey. We will travel inside the smallest living unit. This is the human cell. A cell is the basic building block of life. Every living organism is made of cells. The human body contains trillions of cells that work together to form tissues, organs, and body systems. Cells come in different shapes and sizes depending on their job. Nerve cells carry messages, muscle cells help us move, and blood cells transport oxygen throughout the body. The cell membrane is the protective outer covering of the cell. It acts like a security gate, allowing useful materials to enter while keeping harmful substances out. Inside the membrane is the cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like fluid where all the organelles are suspended and where many important chemical reactions take place. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. It contains DNA, which stores the genetic instructions that tell the cell how to grow, divide, and function. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell. They convert nutrients into ATP, denal, the energy that powers nearly every activity inside the cell. Ribosomes are the protein factories of the cell. They build proteins that are needed for growth, repair, and many other important functions. The endoplasmic reticulum is like a transport system. The rough ER helps make proteins, while the smooth ER produces lipids and helps remove toxins. The Golgi Apparatus works like a shipping center. It modifies, packages, and delivers proteins to different parts of the cell or outside the cell. Lysosomes contain powerful enzymes that break down waste materials, worn-out organelles, and harmful particles, keeping the cell clean and healthy. Human and plant cells share many organelles, but plant cells also have a cell wall, chloroplasts, and a large central vacuole. Human cells do not. Did you know your body has around 37 trillion cells? Red blood cells live for about 120 days, and the largest human cell is the egg cell. Let's review. Cell membrane protects the cell. Cytoplasm holds organelles. Nucleus controls mitochondria produce energy. Ribosomes make proteins. Great job! Now you know the basic structure and function of the human cell. If you enjoyed this lesson, like this video and join us for more ICSE topics. See you in the next lesson. Question 1. What is the basic building block of the human body? The correct answer is C. Cell. Question 2. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? That's right. Mitochondria produce energy for the cell. Question 3. Which part of the cell contains DNA and controls all cell activities? Excellent. The answer is nucleus. Question 4. Which organelle makes proteins? Correct. Ribosomes are the protein factories of the cell. Question 5. What is the main job of the cell membrane? The cell membrane acts like a gatekeeper, controlling what enters and leaves the cell. How many questions did you answer correctly? Tell me your score in the comments. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe to BrainBloom, and join me for more exciting science lessons. See you in the next video.